All right, let's start with something most people never think about. Most fruit bushes have one fatal weakness. Take away their water and they fold. They stop growing, they drop their fruit. Their leaves dry up, and eventually the entire plant just gives up. But the 12 plants we're talking about today, they were built differently. These are the bushes that don't panic when the rain disappears. These are the ones that look at a drought and keep producing anyway. And I'm making this video for a very specific reason. A few weeks back, someone in the comments asked about growing fruit in Central Texas, around Austin. And that question is bigger than one person. That's a question for millions of gardeners dealing with brutal heat, dry soil, unpredictable rain, and summers that feel like they're trying to shut your whole garden down. If you've ever planted something with high hopes and then watched it struggle through the heat, wondering if growing your own food is even realistic where you live, this video is your answer. And that answer is yes. You absolutely can grow food in dry climates. You just need the right plants. Welcome back to Grown Folks Gardening, where we keep it real about what actually works in your yard, not just what looks good on paper. If you're new here, we break down real strategies, real plants, and real results, so you can grow your own food with confidence. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Let's get into it. Starting at number 12, Apache Blackberry. This is one of the most reliable fruiting bushes you can grow in a dry climate. What makes it stand out right away is that it's thornless, which means harvesting is easy, no scratches, no hassle. Just grab and go. But beyond that, this plant was actually developed to handle heat and dry conditions. While most blackberries struggle once temperatures climb and rain disappears, Apache keeps going. Its roots grow deep, pulling moisture from levels in the soil most plants never reach. Once established, it produces large glossy berries that are rich, sweet, and perfect fresh or preserved. With basic pruning and minimal care, this plant can produce for well over a decade. In places like Central Texas, it adapts well to alkaline soil and wild temperature swings. Give it a good start, water deeply in the first year, and after that it becomes one of the most dependable producers in your garden. Number 11 is Loquat. And this one surprises people because it produces when nothing else is. While most fruit plants are just waking up, Loquat is already giving you harvest. It ripens in late winter or early spring, which means you're picking fruit when your garden is still quiet. The plant itself is evergreen with large, glossy leaves, and it produces clusters of golden fruit that taste like a mix between peach, mango, and apricot. Once established, it handles drought very well and can survive both summer heat and occasional cold snaps. It's not just productive, it's beautiful year-round, which makes it one of those plants that earns its space in multiple ways. Thin the fruit early, and you'll get larger, sweeter harvests later. Number 10 is quince, and this is one of the oldest fruiting plants people have ever grown. It thrives in dry climates because it doesn't need much to succeed. The fruit itself isn't something you eat raw, but once cooked, it transforms into something rich, fragrant, and deeply flavorful. It handles poor soil, heat, and low water better than most fruiting plants. One mature bush can produce dozens of fruits every season, and they store incredibly well. This is one of those plants that doesn't need constant attention. It just shows up every year and does its job. Number 9. Texas persimmon. This one is native, which means it already knows how to survive where you are. It grows naturally in dry, rocky soil, and once it's established, it basically takes care of itself. The fruit is small but incredibly sweet when ripe, and the plant itself can live for generations. The early years require patience, but once it gets going, it becomes one of the easiest long-term food producers you can have. Number 8 is agarita, and this is one of those hidden gems. It grows wild across Texas, often unnoticed, but it produces bright red berries that make incredible jelly. This plant doesn't just tolerate drought, it thrives in it. It handles rocky soil, extreme heat, and almost no water. Once planted, it needs almost nothing from you. It's also great as a natural barrier because of its structure, making it both functional and productive. Number 7 is Chickasaw plum. This plant spreads over time and creates a natural grove that produces more fruit each year. It grows wild in dry conditions without help, which tells you everything you need to know about its resilience. The fruit is small but packed with flavor, perfect for fresh eating or preserves. Once it gets established, it expands naturally and increases your harvest without extra effort. Number 6 is pomegranate, and this is one of the most reliable drought producers in the world. It has been grown in dry climates for thousands of years because it simply works. It handles heat, low water, and poor soil while producing beautiful, nutrient-rich fruit. A mature plant can give you dozens of fruits every season. It's one of the best investments you can make for a dry garden. Number 5 is prickly pear, and this plant gives you 2 harvests. The pads are edible and the fruit is sweet and refreshing. It survives extreme drought by storing water in its structure, which means it can go long periods without rain. Once established, it needs almost no care. It's one of the most efficient food plants you can grow in a dry environment. Number 4 is fig, and this is one of the most ancient fruiting plants still in use today. It thrives in hot, dry conditions because of its deep root system. It does best with deep occasional watering rather than frequent irrigation. Once established, it becomes incredibly productive, often giving you multiple harvests in a season. Fresh figs, straight from the plant, are on a completely different level from store-bought ones. Number 3 is American persimmon. This plant rewards patience. Early fruit can be unpleasant if picked too soon, but when fully ripe, it becomes incredibly sweet and rich. It handles drought, poor soil, and extreme temperatures with ease. Once mature, it produces heavily with very little input. Number 2 is pineapple guava. This plant handles both heat and cold, which makes it incredibly valuable. It produces unique fruit with a tropical flavor and also has edible flowers. It's drought-tolerant, low maintenance, and thrives in difficult conditions. And number 1 is jujube. If there is one plant built for dry climates, it's this one. It thrives in heat, handles drought better than almost anything else, and produces fruit consistently without needing much from you. The fruit changes flavor depending on when you harvest it, giving you multiple uses from one plant. It's reliable, productive, and perfect for places like Central Texas. Before we wrap this up, here's the most important thing you need to understand. Drought-tolerant plants don't fail because of drought. They fail because they were never established properly. That first year matters more than anything. Deep watering early builds the root system that allows the plant to survive long term. Skip that step, and even the toughest plant will struggle. So there you have it, 12 fruit bushes that don't just survive dry climates, they thrive in them. If this helped you, hit the like button and drop a comment telling me which one you're planting first. And if you're serious about building a garden that actually feeds you, make sure you're subscribed. We're just getting started.